Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita M9201B finishing sander. A compact and lightweight design for easy handling and high maneuverability. 12,000 OPM for increased efficient and smooth finish sanding. Easy to operate paper clamp ensures easy installation or removal of paper with rolled clamper's edge. On-off rocker switch ergonomically positioned for less hand fatigue. Rubber switch cover prevents ingress of dust. It is 180 volt. The pad size will be 93 mm x 185 mm. Abrasive paper size will be 93 mm x 228 mm. The net weight is 1.4 kg and the power supply cord is 2 meter.